Hey, Tech Woke, I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. You see it, man. I fell off, kinda, man. I fell off, to be honest. Hope all is well with you, man. I am, think I'm gonna just try just streaming stuff now, brother. Love. I see you on LinkedIn all the time, man. Keep it up. Good. Yes, sir. Keep it up. Yeah. Start that streaming, man. Start that streaming. You already do the interviews. I guess you could just incorporate it all, you know what I mean? What the heck? Oh, there it go. There it go. There it go. What we doing? Y'all gotta like the live now. Ain't nobody gonna join unless you guys like the live. Come on, guys, like the live. All right, appreciate it, guys. What y'all on, chat? Let me know, chat. Chat, I got about 30 minutes before I jump into the meeting, man. I'm just trying to tap in with y'all, man. In a real way. In a real way. YouTube, what's happening, chat? YouTube chat, man. Come on, man. Like the YouTube chat. You gotta like it, YouTube chat. Any questions and answers? Good afternoon. Jet Clee, it's good morning for me. Where you at, Jet Clee? Chris, what's happening? I got about 30 minutes before I join this meeting. What's going on? Y'all tap, man. Like the live. What up, Michael? What up, Michael? Chris, what's good, bro? I'm back. I'm back in action. Dog, locked in. I'm locked in, dog. I am locked in. I fell off of studying, though, but I'm locked in. I fell off of studying only because CBT Nuggets sucks. At least for what I'm studying. I got to find a new resource. Oh, from Brussels. Shout out. Brussels. I don't even know where Brussels is, to be honest, but shout out. I don't know where Brussels is. I'm only as big as I did try. I've been to Japan. I've been to a lot of places now. What's the goal of this live? The goal of this live is to just help anybody that's trying to become a network engineer. So I do coaching, and I'm just here to help. If you got any questions, if you're trying to become a network engineer, got any questions becoming a network engineer, stuck studying for your CCNA, which is a certification. But yeah, and I just got 30 minutes before I got to jump onto this call. And I've been doing a lot of network engineering stuff, and I just want to share the knowledge. You're CCNA certified, okay? Then yeah, if you're already certified, you don't need no help. But I'm a network engineer. If you got any questions, or if you want to level up, if you're already a network engineer, this probably ain't for you. Just here to help people really that's trying to get certified or trying to get that next certification like myself. I'm trying to get my CCNP. So if you got your CCNA, or maybe you already got some stuff and I'm going to just tell it to you in a different kind of way with a different kind of perspective. Just that kind of stuff. So I appreciate all of y'all in here because y'all could be scrolling, looking at all those fine women on this app, but y'all right here with me. So I really appreciate that because, boy, if y'all in here with me, y'all choosing education over all of that, whoo, them thirst traps, or whatever y'all young people call that, bruh. I'm talking about I be doom scrolling on that. Yes, of course. Let's go, bro. Teach us some tricks. I don't know, Jet. That's what I'm saying. It's hard for me to just pull it out the air and just be like, what do you want me to teach you? Like, how do you teach? That's the hard part, Jet. You got to help me out. Thank y'all for tapping the live. Get me to 1K, y'all. Come on, 500, y'all. Tap. Welcome in. YouTube chat. Michael, what's up with you? You working? You probably working. Probably working, dog. How about the oh okay, my bad, Myriad Rising. My issue was I can subnet in my head, but I can't wrap my head around OSI. Are you familiar with the data control tech position? Peyton Connor. No, I'm not. From Belgium. Okay, Belgium. Okay. Hold on, Myriad Rising. I'm gonna get back to you. Uh, thanks for liking the live. Y'all keep tapping. IPv6 studying. Okay, Michael. Love to hear it, bro. I'm not too souped up on that, so let's see. What do we got? What do we got? Can you explain subnetting and how to create a subnet? Jonathan, I got you. Nah, I did CCNA 1 and 2. Let's talk to the TCP IP layer. Uh-oh. Hold on, y'all. I got these meetings starting. All right. Hold on. Myriad. Wrap my hand. Okay. OSI model. Myriad, I'm glad you asked that. 1 second. So, the OSI model. What you probably having trouble with. So, can you see that? Dang, you can't even see that? Why it won't show that? That's weird. Oh, there it go. Fuck. Anyways, bro. Myriad, I was trying to work on this. I'm working on this for the community, my private community or whatever. But for the layers of the OSI model, what you need to understand instead of memorizing is try to understand what works at what layer. Start trying to associate the protocols that work at what layer. For example, at the application layer, this is the end user layer. That's where you're going to be familiar with protocols like FTP when you need to transfer big files, or HTTP. And then presentation layer, it has different stuff like how are you going to what kind of format are you going to use at the presentation layer? Is it going to be a JPEG, MPEG? That's what the presentation layer does. So just get familiar with, okay, MPEG, JPEG, that's presentation layer. That way, if they ask you a question, what's happening on the physical layer, or they want you to describe the physical layer, you're not going to talk about HTTP, you know, you're not going to talk about JPEG or MPEG because you know that's at higher layers. What's at the physical layer? Oh, well, that's my cabling and stuff like that. Just put it into concepts and perspectives that make it make sense to you. Like the live, Myriad Rising, if that makes sense to you. Does that help at all? Let me know. Can you explain subnetting and how to create a subnet? So subnetting is just what it says. It's just a sub network. So you have one network, but what if you want to break that network down, Jonathan, into what if I told you you can have 10 networks instead of just one network? So out of one network, when I say network, I mean like IP address. So for example, you run a business and you have the HR department, you have the IT department and finance department, right? And you want them all on different networks, but you have one IP address. Well, you can take that one IP address and put sub networks for the HR or whatever. That's what subnetting does. And how you do that is through binary coding or whatever. It's just converting these, it's using a subnet mask, which is masking part of the binary bits or whatever for the computer when it interprets it. So it knows, okay, this part is the network portion and this part is the host portion of this IP address. So it separates the networks from the host, and that's how you get a subnet. Does that make sense, Jonathan? Y'all tap to like the live, man. That's like $1,000 worth of game. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, y'all been chatting. Chat, thank y'all. Thank you for the follow, Myriad. I'll take that as a yes, I explained everything. Jonathan, If you still in here, like the live, tap the live. If I broke that down, I'm studying comp sci major and taking a computer networking class right now. Need to get a better. There you go, Jonathan. Yeah, that's what's up. Understanding. What's up, man? How to better understand TGE diff, by the way, VLANs and subnets. Elvis. I think I answered that, Elvis. Let me know if I did. So more what it handles, less what it's about. Okay. Yes. Data link is where VLANs are involved. Yes, and switches. Correct, Chris. Yeah, exactly. Get familiar with that. Just don't even you don't even have to understand. Just know it at that fundamental layer. VLANs, this is happening at layer 2 because when you're in the industry, that's the jargon. That's how people are going to talk. What layer is it happening at? Oh, layer 2, layer 3. As a network engineer, if you start talking about layer 6, layer 7, layer 5, like layer 3 or 4, I'm gonna chill right there. Anything above that, all of that other stuff like the whatever the application isn't responding to the TCP connect, like all of that stuff, like that's beyond me. I'm layer 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the port open type deal. That's about it. After that, if your session ain't holding and all of that stuff, you might need to you might need to reboot your server or something type deal. Okay, Johnny. Okay, Johnny. Okay, Johnny. Jonathan. Okay, good. 102000 for terminals for IoT. I don't know what that means. How to get free virtual machine to practice. Johnny, look up VirtualBox. It's a free software. You could download it. All you need is a PC, but you need at least 4 gig of RAM on that PC. 4 gig of RAM. If you want to get souped up, get 8 gig of RAM. But VirtualBox, free virtual machine, what you call? What do you call that? Hypervisor, whatever the hell. I forget. I got some servers running. I can link services, but I need more fundamentals. Myriad, Ryzen, yeah. You know what you need. Johnny, hopefully you heard that. VirtualBox. How much labbing is done on the actual CCNA? Harley Quinn. How many labs? I think you're asking how many labs or how in depth. I think this CCNA certification, I don't know how many labs. Chris, you still in here? Put Harley on how many labs you got. Thanks for liking the live YouTube chat. Or Proxmox on a spare PC. Thanks for liking it. I took a Chris, where you at, Chris? Chris, dog. Anyways, Harley Quinn, I can't remember. I think there's probably going to be like 2 or 3 labs. What I do remember about taking that CCNA is that it's an intuitive test. So if it sees that you miss a lab, it's going to give you more lab questions. Or if it sees you miss a subnetting question, it's going to give you more subnetting questions. That thing is souped up. Teddy, what's up, Teddy? Hopefully that helped. If Chris was in here, he'll tell us exactly how many labs was on there. I took an HP micro tower and put Ubuntu server, Docker, plus, but Proxmox is where it's at. Okay, Myriad Rising, yeah, you may be more souped up than me on all of that. See? That's all your layer stuff. That's all your layer 7 stuff when you're getting with the servers and the Dockers and all of that. I don't mess with all of that. Harley, hopefully that answer y'all question. We got 555. We got that divine number in here. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. That's how y'all know y'all supposed to be up in here. What up? Again, I appreciate y'all being in here because I know y'all could be distracted. So get some value. Servers are where I'm best. Servers are where I'm weakest. That's my weak spot. But that's what it's about, getting better each and every day. I'm all right with Linux. I know my way around the file system. I could transfer files, with SCP. I can, what else can I do? I can get into the configuration, change my DNS server. I'll be back next time. Gotta go fix more copiers. All right, Mary Rising, thank you for joining. Holla at me. Holla at your guala. Chat, what's happening, man? Mr. Good Vibe, appreciate the follow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I really appreciate, boy, because listen, boy, y'all could be anywhere. Trust me, I be doom scrolling on these lives. These women out here, boy, I don't know, boy. If y'all in my live, listen, I appreciate it, chat, because, boy, I don't know how y'all do it, chat. I don't know how y'all do it. I'd be doom scrolling. I'm just getting started. Okay. Yeah, let me know, man. Just get started. Just a little bit every day. Even if you get 15 minutes of it, just get it in there. Cause that's what you're looking at right now is my little 15 minutes a day over 10 years. That's that compound interest. If you don't know about it, y'all better read about it or something or figure it out. It's compound interest, like Nip say. It's consistency. It's gonna beat talent all day. I'm talented with this shit, but my consistency gonna outwork anybody all day. Chris, you back. Chris, how many labs is in the damn CCNA, man? Reading the Pearson CCNA books now and working on Hack the Box. That's what's up, man. Any kind of education is good education. Damn, 4 to 5. Harley Quinn, you still in here? I guess she left. Some girl was in here asking Chris how many labs was on there. I didn't have a good answer for her. You'll have a leg up having solid networking on moving on to sysadmin SRE roles. Thank you for that positive talk right there, Tiki Talk. I needed to hear that, bro. How's CCNP studying going? Michael Lyons, I fell off after I started studying for, what was the last topic I studied for? Damn, that's a good. You keeping me accountable. I like that, Michael. I have a CCNA. I just need a job. D'Angelo Lewis, yes, sir. Yeah, I don't know how to help people get jobs, bro. I don't know. If you got the CCNA, I don't know why. Try overnight. D'Angelo, you want to work overnight? A lot of people want this. It has to be 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Everything has to work perfectly. Everything has to just align with. Listen, when I got in, you just get it how you live. You heard me? I don't care what kind of job. It don't even have to say, bitch, just get me into some kind of tech job. Do you recommend CCNA over CompTIA? TP Money Mac. I only recommend CompTIA certs if you think that this shit is a hobby to you. If you're not really trying to be a network engineer, then go after that Network Plus. Because you can get some, basic job. You can be basic with that. That's how I look at it. But if you want to be top tier, if you want to try to get on my level, your Network Plus ain't going to do nothing with my CCNA. I'm going to eat that shit up all day long. So that's how you look at it. Basically, if you want to be a network engineer, start going down that Cisco route, that CCNA path. If you want to just keep it general and keep it basic, go ahead and just do Network Plus. Ain't nothing wrong with the Network Plus. You feel me? But this ain't that. CCNA is not that. It's two separate things. It's for if you're serious, want to be a network engineer, CCNA. Hopefully that answers your question. TP Money Mac. Y'all give me the 1K. Chat, give me the 1K likes if I'm giving out this good sauce and all of that, man. All right, appreciate it. Now I could super rare back in the building. Okay, TP Money. Yeah, tap the screen then, TP Money. If I'm giving out that good sauce, starting in NOC or a data center and maybe help desk. That's what's up, Teddy. Yeah. Hopefully that helped you over there. What's his name? D'Angelo. Help desk. Start over there or something like that. Hey, super rare, man. Thank you for the follow, man. Chat, TikTok. All right, appreciate it. Y'all got me to 1K. Okay. Y'all fucking it up. Okay. Appreciate y'all. I'm an IT director with just my recommendation. Oh, King Zell, we got an IT director in here. So y'all, TP Money Mac. No, I appreciate it. Hey, great. Hey, blessings and abundance. that money you already know come back to you tenfold, bro. When you send it over here, bro. Thank you for the gift. Oh shit. Hold on. Where is King Zell? Hold on, y'all. King Zell, he a whole IT director. I think CompTIA puts you in a good spot for cybersecurity. Okay. I'm an IT. Yes, yes, sir, King Zell. No, no, no. I am not knocking no CompTIA if that's what I was not getting at that, sir. I was not trying to knock it, sir. That CompTIA triad is it's definitely solid. It's definitely solid. Not gonna lie. But I'm a network engineer, so you know I'm gonna be biased, King Zell. You know I'm gonna be biased. So I got the Sec Plus and C, but still can't find a job. Puerto Rican Muslim, I don't know. Are you looking for that? It has to be 9 to 5. Just get you any. I find it hard to believe you can't just go get a help desk, little bullshit ass help desk. I'm not knocking nobody that work help desk, but you know what I'm saying, an entry level job. With all them certifications, you should be able to go or work in the field tech, running some cables for something, or just go I don't know, go to networking events. There's seminars. There's all these live events. It's damn 2025. There's some kind of social media group, Facebook. I'm trying to build a community to where y'all can jump in and help each other out. You need to network. You're going to have to get out your bubble. You're going to have to get out your bubble. Michael, thank you. Thank y'all. Chat, YouTube chat. Hold on. Michael, I'm going to tell you what I stopped studying. Hold on. I'm trying to be a software engineer, but I need to master the computer networking first. That's what's up. That's what's up. Networking engineer at a fiber optic company. Need to get some certs. How this country is moving. That's a fact. Yes, sir. Appreciate that. Super rare. Be ready to work nights and weekends. Yeah, man. This shit ain't no game at the same time. I got a call at like 3 or 4 in the morning from my boss asking me to check why this fucking router is down. You need to sacrifice your time with your family, your kids. All of that shit is a wrap, bro. That shit's a wrap. This shit ain't no game now. But then you do get to some days, you know, it be chill. But some days it's high stressful, like today. I'm about to get on this meeting. I'm finna. I appreciate y'all for. I just wanted to come in here, but yeah. I'm almost 40, still doing CCNA, but practically at least have survived. Thinking of shifting to cyberverse. November, I'm 43, so I'm older than you. I'm trying to switch to cybersecurity too. I've been working in cybersecurity for 3 years, but my goal is to be like how I'm a network engineer. I want to be like a cybersecurity engineer type shit. So November, fuck with me. We on the same wavelength. Where should I apply? I tried CAC, GDIT, and nothing. Puerto Rican Muslim, where should you apply? LinkedIn. I don't know where these jobs. Indeed, that's where I found some jobs. Where else? Dice. All of those places. Puerto Rican Muslim. I don't know, bro. You gotta look around. I had troubles finding end user support engineer. There you go. That's a director of IT telling you. I got my CCNA at the age of. I'm 48 now. Let's go, Teddy. Let's go, Teddy. It don't. I love that, Teddy. Let's go. That's how we do. Cause I'm gonna get my shit. It don't matter. We gonna keep getting this certifications. That's just what we do. That's who we are. You know. We just study this shit every. That's why. You know. We all tapped in. We all do the same thing. We all just study this shit every day. And guess what? When y'all not studying, guess who's studying? I am. I am. How you feel about Python? I love Python. I just got to get back on it. I've been focused on studying this certification. I fell off, but I don't know if y'all follow Network Bruh on YouTube channel, but that's my dog, and he put me back on. He's studying for his too, and he was like, "You can't fall off. You got to get back on." So I'm gonna get back on. Network operations 9 years ago and climbed up in my company, Jordan. I climbed up after 7 years and woke up. I have it filled out right now. Next summer I may have an opportunity. Ooh, I love that. I love that. I love that, Kingsley. I love that community. Yeah, y'all see how our community rocking. You'll get in, man. Just keep applying. Don't give up. There you go. That's the main thing. Puerto Rican Muslim. You listen. I had my CCNA for 2 years, bro, of applying 2 years straight to jobs, bro. So I have no sympathy for nobody that can't find no job right now. I know it's a messed up economy, but I have no sympathy because my job when I didn't have a job was you can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna sit there and I'm gonna apply all day long, all day. I'm gonna take a break, go to lunch, and I'm gonna keep on applying. Oh yeah, you work for the DOD, Puerto Rican Muslim. You're gonna be in there. It's just a matter of time. But you gotta understand, they got Trump putting tariffs. We got people being distracted with all of that other stuff with the political Charlie Kirk and all of that. No clearance though. I'm applying every day. Yeah, no clearance for me. Clearance should get you or over everyone else. Yeah, I wish. I can't get that clearance. I got 3 felonies on my background. Facts. Damn. Yeah. I'm about to get up out of here. Let me just tell you, Michael, YouTube chat. Where did I fall off at? But I'm gonna get back on. And I'm coming with a vengeance this time. I'm finna murder this test or unalive this test, however the fuck you gotta say it on this damn platform. Let's see. I got one, and it's not about felon. It's about, is it a must to do CCNA before? Absolutely not, November. Absolutely not. It's not a must to do. You would want to know some computer networking, but that's not a must for cybersecurity. Not at all. Hey, Mike, I fell off on section 3 of my whatever exam blueprint, and that's when it's troubleshooting AAA and all of this other stuff, and it's because the stuff on my practice questions, wasn't matching up with anything in CBT Nuggets. I couldn't find no answers, and then like trying to go through the book, so I just got to find a new resource. I need a coach. I need somebody that passed the NRC to help me out. I wish I had a mentor to be like, oh no, just look at this, and all you got to do is this. And y'all got that right here with me. I had it clear. There's no guide to cyber. Find a niche in cyber and be the best in niche equal money. That's a fact. Keep pushing, bro. I am. Oh, I got it. I'm back on. Cool, because networking is good, but haven't tried the exam. I just want to switch to cybersecurity. Yeah. November, you don't need to be some super network engineer or have some in-depth networking knowledge. Will it help? Absolutely. But is it necessary? No. Cybersecurity isn't about that. Cybersecurity is just what it says, being all about understanding. You're going to have to understand how that traffic is flowing through the network with subnets and stuff like that. You're going to have to at least know that. But cybersecurity, to me, I've been working in it 3 years, and it's mainly just about like finding them vulnerabilities, who didn't patch their stuff, and then attacking that. And that's pretty much Jeremy IT Lab for CCNP? Absolutely not. I don't know about his Encore. I already passed the Encore, so I haven't looked at those videos. He don't have one for the advanced route switch that I'm studying. Oh shit, I gotta get to this meeting, y'all. Damn it, y'all. I'm gonna get back on. Oh, I thought I missed the meeting, y'all. I thought I missed the meeting. Appreciate the useful. I'm out. Peace. Enjoy. Super rare. Always, dog. Always appreciate you jumping in here, dog. For sure. You're a real one for sure, dog. Peace and blessings and abundance and all of that to you and yours. What's up, y'all? Hey, thanks for the follow. Damn, y'all done tapped it up. All right, Mike. I'm about to be out too, my guy. I learned a lot from you. The Network Lab. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man. I'm trying to, dog. I'm trying to, dog. All right, bro. Enjoy the meeting. All right, King Zell. Yes, sir. Appreciate that. You coming in here and sharing that knowledge too, dog. I don't got that director. That people don't talk about that enough. You don't got to be technical in this role. You could be non-technical too. Some people can be a director. I can't. That's another level. Enjoy your day. Blessings and blessings to you, King Zell. Man, appreciate y'all tapping in with me for real, cuz, listen, I know that algorithm, y'all do not have to be in this chat with me, chat. Chat, what y'all want to do next time? Chat, tell me what. Y'all want me to just go live and just do, just do labs? Just sit here and do labs? Or what? What y'all want to do next time, man, when we post up? Because I'm going to post up again. I'm going to start posting up some more. What y'all want to do, chat? Hey, user, thanks for the follow. User 7. Blah, 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 blah. Chat, I'm going to get in trouble at my job, dog, because I've been bull. Come on, man. Y'all let me know something. What y'all want to do next time? We ain't finna just get on here and I'm just going to be looking at y'all. Y'all going to be looking at me, dog. Because y'all could go be looking at them beautiful women on this app. We need to get this more structured, y'all. Lab. Okay, Viceroy. But that's what I'm saying. Y'all just be like, Lab. I'm not no like, y'all got to help me out, bro. Just Lab. What I'm supposed to do? Like, I don't understand that. Like, imagine that you're me and somebody just be like, just Lab it. BGP or trouble. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying, Teddy. Just anything pretty much. Do you have cybersecurity study guide? Nope. Victoria, good morning. Good morning. Dang, I'm about to get off. Victoria, I gotta go to the meeting. A meeting. Do you have cybersecurity study guide? No. Let me know. What do you mean, November? What kind of study guide would you like? I'll create one. I want to create stuff for y'all. Let me know what kind of study guide you want. Like what? Like threats and attacks, or what? Blue team stuff. Like, okay, I'll see you again. Yeah, I'm about to go, y'all. Appreciate y'all, man, for tapping in, man. I'll see y'all on that next live. Y'all know I'm gonna go. I'm gonna post up again, y'all. Let's see, y'all. I did it. What the hell? Oh. What the hell? What the hell? All right, I'm out, y'all. Yeah, I try to follow you, Victoria. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Let me get out of here. Oh, hold on. Hold on. All right. Oh, I thought y'all still on here, man. All right, bye, y'all.